Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how do you create an alt account on Discord. So firstly open Discord and log in with your Discord account. So once you've logged in, so open it and log it. Once you have logged in, what you have to do, just open your new browser here. So open your Chrome browser and then click on the three dots on your top right and click and open a new incognito window. So open a new incognito window. So once you're on a new incognito window, so just search for Discord. Just Google search it. Sorry. Open the Discord website and then click on the Open Discord in your browser option. So click on that. So once you are here, enter a username. So you can just enter any username. All right. And once that's done, all right. So here now, put in your date of birth, so your details. So you can just put that up. All right, and then you can choose whatever you can, any of these, create my own. Yeah, just choose anything. All right, choose all these information options here, and then server name, you can create a server name or you can just leave it as it is, just put create. Okay, and then yeah, you can skip that, that's not a problem. All right, and that's it, finishing up. So just enter an email address. So you don't put your official email address, you can just put any of your second email address or any spam email address, because so don't use the one that's your previously been using. So just put anything or any spam one. All right, so and then use that and claim the account. Okay, so now it's going to give you the it would have sent you a verification link to your email. So go to your email and get the verification link. Right, so open your email and then once you have opened the email and click on the verification link, so once that's done you can come back here and then close these, and then all you can do is just try refresh it and it should be verified by then. So let's refresh it. Okay, so just waiting, and yep, that's it, done. So your account is now verified and that's your alt account. So that's what pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.